Hey guys, a couple of you reached out to me and told me my last video was a little dark. You couldn't see a lot of the color correction that I was doing or a little bit of the difference between the settings. I appreciate the comments. If you have any comments about this video, I'd love to hear them. I just wanted to give you an update. I got my new light sets in. One's right over here. I'm going to show you the setup of another one. It's really simple. They were about $50. It's so really cheap. I have a little LED light over here giving me the blue light. I like that look right over there, so I put that there. I think that one was about $50 too. Ultimately, I wish I would have went with these soft boxes first. They give amazing light, and you can really, get the look that you're looking for. Currently in this video I have just one set up over here, and I'd rather have two of them set up, but I want to show you the setup of the other one. They're really great. They're like 56 bucks or something like that on Amazon. They came almost next day. They have like an 85-watt bulb in them and a diffuser panel that goes around a reflector box, and you can see that this one box is doing amazing for me compared to what I was using, which was just the LED last time. So let me show you how to set it up, and we can get a few shots where we have both of the lights going on at the same time, and we can see the amazing quality that there is. So this light comes with a tripod. There was two lights in the box, and this tripod is not the best. It's probably the worst thing in the box. But it folds out. You can get as high as you want. I think it goes up to about 5 or 6 feet. It just spreads out like that. Has these little friction clamps on there. I think the coolest thing about this is the bulb, which I'll show you next. And your little reflector and your diffuser box comes in this case. I have mine kind of pre-set up with the diffuser string just hanging on there. So it's pretty big. There's this ring in here. Pull that off. There's a ring in here. You push it down, the whole thing pops out pretty rigid, and it's just like that. It's really great. Like I said, the coolest thing in here is this massive bulb that produces a lot of light. Keep it in styrofoam so it stays pretty safe. But yeah, we have this huge 85-watt CFI or CFL, I think, type bulb. But we can screw it in there. And then it just pops onto the stand. There's a hole at the bottom with a little friction screw on there. Just pop it in there, tighten it up. And you have your diffuser set up right there, and you can pop the cover up. There's some corners sewn in on it, and when all said and done, the Velcro holds it in place. And you can turn it on. So maybe we can get some cool settings with the diffusers we got. Alright, so I have the two lights on me right now. One's, right in front of me, one's directly beside me, producing this heavy shadow over here. I kind of like this look. If you look at some of the videos that I watch, Peter McKinnon and things like that, they have this dramatic, shadow on this side, and it really looks amazing. You can get a lot of, highlights and shadows in people's skin tones and whatnot. So let's try another look. I've seen a few of these, and it's really, really awesome for creativity to, just play around with these things. So in this one, I have the light directly above me, right up here, and then I have the one in the front, still producing this heavy shadow, but it's giving me a lot of downlight, so it's producing a little bit of shadows down here, giving more suspenseful. But if we turn off one of these, we can be almost interrogating somebody. And it's just crazy what lights can do for you. Like I said, last video was pretty dark, but you look at this one, it's very suspenseful. Like, who'd you murder? Pancakes. Yes, I murdered the pancakes. By the way, that was a funny comment that somebody gave me. Murdering pancakes, or, oh, just murdered somebody making pancakes right afterwards. It was very funny. Very suspenseful. Serious. I didn't murder anybody, except for the pancakes. And then we can also, drop the lights. Turn both of them on right here, and it still gives a little bit of suspense, but I can pop this one over to the side over here. Ooh, hang myself with a cord. The cord's in the way, or in the picture, but you get the point. The light's a little bit behind me, produces a little bit of the shadow right here, but you can see all of my face. It still looks awesome. The biggest thing that I've found with camera and video quality is to have enough light. At least, the light that you're trying to get. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Sean J. Peace.